And now Solid Signal goes hands-on with the Vanco HDMI IR control kit. Let's face facts. Back in the 80s, everybody wanted to see all your cool equipment. But now, the big thing is hiding it in some sort of cabinet. And if you want to do that, you need to still be able to control it. A lot of times the answer is an RF remote. But sometimes that doesn't work. What if your equipment rack shields against RF radiation? A lot of them do. That's where something like this HDMI IR control kit comes in handy. It uses a technique of translating your IR signals so that they can travel across the same cable that's used for your video and audio. Let's take a look at what's in the box. What you'll get are two identical adapters, plus an IR blaster cable and an IR receiver cable. They look very similar, as you can see here. The receiver end, which is designed to be used in front of your television, is labeled RX. The transmitter end, which is designed to be used in front of the thing you're trying to control, is labeled TX. There are also adapters that go at the end of the HDMI cables, one on each end. There's a little switch on each adapter. Make sure it's switched to IR, or the system won't function right. Each adapter also has an 1/8 inch input, just like a headphone. That's where the TX and RX boxes plug in. For final assembly, plug the HDMI end into the in, and the TX or RX box into the only place it will fit. You'll see things will not always go all the way in, and that's fine too. Finally, make sure that switch is on IR, and you're all set. Here I placed the receiver box, the RX box, at the base of the television, with a little receiver window facing forward. I sat the transmitter box on top of the thing I was trying to control. You're going to have to do a little bit of experimentation to try to figure out what's going to work for you. It is a nice strong transmitter, so you shouldn't have to aim it very carefully. Honestly, I was really impressed by what this little device could do. I didn't take a lot of effort in placing the IR transmitter, and yet it was able to control two devices at the same time, meaning this thing pays for itself. The Vanco HDMI IR control kit is now available at solidsignal.com.